Hello students, I am Rahul Pandey. Today I will continue the fourth part of the chapter The Triumph of Surgery. Okay, and yesterday I taught you that whenever the doctor, the narrator, Mr. Harriet, okay, thought that means I will keep the tricky with me in my hospital because I am getting lots of things by the help of tricky, because the owner of the tricky is sending eggs, milk, bread, butter, brandy, wine, okay, all the tables daily in the hospital. So that is why the author means wrote that it was a temptation to keep tricky on as a permanent guest, okay, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight the doctor, the narrator, thought that I will keep Tricky as a permanent guest, okay, in my hospital. But after that, he felt that no, it is wrong. I should not do it, okay, because I knew it very well that the real owner of the dog, okay, means Mrs. Pumphrey, is feeling very pain, very suffer in her house, and she is missing her dog Tricky so much. That's why the writer told us that the doctor thought that I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. That is why the doctor thought that no, it is wrong, I should not do it. That's why he called, okay, Mrs. Pumphrey immediately, and he informed her that now your dog Tricky is okay, now he is okay, and you can receive him after coming here. So whenever he called, he informed Mrs. Pumphrey. The narrator said that within a minute about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Means after informing her, Mrs. Pumphrey came there immediately, and she stand up in my hospital, and about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Means Mrs. Pumphrey came by his black car, okay, to receive Tricky. She was so glad. The chauffeur opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. And when I saw the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, I found that means she had lost her sadness right now, and right now she was very glad, and she was thinking that now I will get my pet dog, okay, to whom I love so much today. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? Whenever she came, I noticed, I saw her eyes, and I found that means her lips were trembling, okay, and there was a curiosity in her eyes. I can see it very easily. And whenever she looked me, she asked me very politely that please, Doctor Mr. Harriet, please tell me that are you speaking truth? My dog is really better. Okay, please tell me. Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I shall go and fetch him. Then the Harriet said that yes, your dog is absolutely okay, healthy. He is okay now, and do not come outside of your car, and I shall go and fetch him. Just wait, I am going, and I will return with your dog. Just wait here. So I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs was hulking round the round and the lawn and their midst. Ears flapping, tail waving was the little golden figure of Tricky. And when I went into the garden, I found that Miss Tricky was playing with a mass of dogs, okay, and they were so glad. Tricky was also glad. He was busy in playing, and the doctor saw that means his ears were flapping, okay, his tail were waving, and he was on the little golden figure, and he saw that the golden little figure of the Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard muscled animal. The doctor found out that the condition of the dog is very very good. Okay, that is why the doctor said that means the condition of a dog is absolutely correct. Okay, absolutely fine. And now the outward structure means outward physical structure of the dog has totally changed. Now he was healthy. Okay, neither he was so weak nor he strong nor he fat. Okay, but he was completely healthy, and he had a hard muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. And I noticed that means he was very glad. Okay, he was very glad, and means he doesn't have any kinds of foundation here. Means he was absolutely free, and in his career he never found such a good company. Okay, of his species means like dogs. That is why he was very glad there, his chest almost brushing the ground. After that, I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky was his. Whenever I went there, okay, I found out that I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky side means I went there, and I whenever I took that dog, okay, near the Mrs. Pumphrey. And after that, I was going through the passage of the front house, and the chauffeur means the car driver came there, and he was also holding the car. Okay, and he opened the door, and after that, when Ricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into the Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. It was a very means unique scene. The doctor said that Harriet said that it was a very unique scene, because I did not believe that means after living so much days here, Tricky will ignore Mrs. Pumphrey, and he will not go towards her quickly. It may be that he will not recognize her, but no, all the guesses of Mr. Harriet was wrong. That is why the author said that whenever the chauffeur means the car driver, okay, holding the car door open, when the Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arm. I had Tricky in my arms, okay, and he immediately jumped from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap, and he went there, and he sat on the Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled oh, and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. And he went near the Mrs. Pumphrey's lap, and he began to bark. He began to lick the face of the Mrs. Pumphrey. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushion, coats, and bowls. Means Dr. Harriet said that one by one I returned all the things, means like beds, okay, toys, cushion, coats, bowls, everything I returned and to the car driver, and he kept all the things inside the car. After that, as the car moved, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window, and tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled when Mrs. Pumphrey started his car, and whenever she was starting to going from there, at that time I noticed that he was very emotional at that time. She began to weep, and tears were rolling from her eyes. But it was a happiness tears. Means she was very glad, and her lips trembled. She wanted to say many things, and she thanked me, but at the time of going, she said only one thing. The doctor said that means, "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." Means at last he said only one thing. The writer said that She thanked Mr. Harriet and she said that I am very glad today. Okay, I have received my dog again. I did not have a single hope that I will get my dog again, and right now I had got everything. And one thing I want to tell you, doctor, that really this is a triumph of surgery. Okay, so dear students, it is the title of the story also, as you know very well. That's why she said that, means the writer said that this is the triumph of surgery. These words were uttered by Mrs. Pumphrey to Dr. Harriet. So this is the end of the chapter today, and I hope that you will definitely understood this chapter. And so if you have any doubt, so you will ask me in the group. So we will meet in the next video. So till when, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you.